This cocktail is called Cupid's Concoction. Concoction. Say that 3 times fast. We're going to fill up your shaker glass with ice. Then we're going to do 1/2 ounce, 1.5 ounces, 1.5 ounces of scotch. You don't want to get your ounceage wrong on scotch. Scotch drinkers love their scotch. So 1.5. And now we're going to do 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. And I'm a big Grand Marnier fan, so I love this stuff. 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. And then you're going to do 1 ounce of lemon juice. Open that up there. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And it goes. And then a splash or 2 of grenadine. Grenadine is really sweet. Maybe 3, but it is Valentine's Day, so you want it to be a good red color. Okay. Now this is a martini, so you're going to need a martini glass, or you can even they make martini glasses now with no stem, so you can get like a short martini glass. The guys seem to like that a little bit better. There you go. Get your strainer, and that is what Cupid's Concoction looks like. Isn't that beautiful? Happy Valentine's Day.